What is the difference between Loctite 242 and 222? 242 is a medium viscosity lube, and 222 is a lower viscosity lube. The major difference between Loctite 242 and 222 lies in the viscosity. But it differs in application and purpose also. Well, in this video, we will showcase a battle between these two thread locking lube. And after that, you can decide which one is your need. Let's see what our comparison points include. Viscosity difference, lube color, temperature withstand, usability, and disassembling way. Check description box below for product links. Now, dive into the details comparison of 242 and 222. At first, viscosity difference. Loctite 242 has a viscosity ranging from 800 to 1600 millipascal/second, a medium adhesive thread locking seal. The 242 Loctite is ideal enough for general nuts thread locking. On the other side, Loctite 222 is a low-strength thread locker, has a viscosity up to 3500 millipascal/second. For small-sized bolt sealing, purple Loctite 222 is very demanding among the automotive and bike servicing centers. Lube color difference. The 242 Loctite features the blue color code, referring to the medium viscosity strength. And Loctite 222 comes in purple color lube that most people are acquainted with. Comparison in temperature withstand. Loctite 242 has a well enough capability to withstand from -65°F to 350°F. However, Loctite 222 has less viscosity, but the temperature withstands capacity is the same as blue Loctite 242. -65°F to 350°F. Now, the comparison is on usability. You can use this Loctite 242 for the thread locking bolts of 1 by 4 inches to 3 by 4 inches size range, that is about 6 mm to 19 mm diameter. This blue Loctite 242 is usable on metal, steel, stainless steel surface, and brass. For automotive and industrial bolts, nuts, washers, fasteners, house furniture, mowers, lock sets, 242 series work great. And 222 is not only for automotive maintenance, but bike tools, too. It is usable for small size threads up to 1 by 4 inches size. In addition, purple Loctite is ideal for locking screws, countersunk, head screws, set screws, and others of maximum M12 sizes. The last comparison on disassembling way. You can easily disassemble 242 seal with normal hand tools or any special chemical. Like other strongest lube, 271 or 272, Loctite 242 does not need high pressure or heat to remove. However, Loctite 242 needs 110 pounds of torque to break, so you can assume how medium level of viscosity it contains. In case of 222, you can easily remove them when you need, using just simple hand tools. Besides, it needs only 53 pounds of torque to break the adhesion. After the battle, today's winner is Loctite 242. You see, blue Loctite 242 is to lock the bolts and nuts thread that can be easily disassembled with general tools or chemicals. When comparing with 222, it is the medium strength one with removable options. But if you look for an oil-resistant locker, 243 is an upgraded version of 242, where all features of 242 are found. But we don't neglect 222 also. If you decide between Loctite 222 versus 242, 222 is preferable for its lowest viscosity and easily removable option. Although it might not have multiple agency approvals, as 242 has, it fully secures the thread from rust and corrosion. That many users review. We hope. Now you know which thread locker is for you. Good luck, and don't make the mistake of buying by watching the tube color only. That comes red for all types. Please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.